Welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered how an earthquake's energy travels through the Earth? In this video, we will explore what earthquake waves are, how they are generated, and why they cause ground shaking and destruction. Earthquake waves, also known as seismic waves, carry energy from the earthquake's focus to the Earth's surface and beyond. So first, what is earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the Earth's surface caused by the release of energy from within the Earth's crust. This energy release happens mainly due to the movement of tectonic plates along faults. Now, what is earthquake waves? Earthquake waves, or seismic waves, are vibrations that travel through the Earth's interior and along its surface, generated by the sudden release of energy from earthquakes, volcanic activity, or explosions. These waves carry energy and are crucial for understanding Earth's internal structure, consisting of fast-moving body waves, or P waves and S waves, that go through the Earth, and slower surface waves, or Love and Rayleigh waves, that cause most damage as they travel along the surface. Types of earthquake waves. Based on the medium they travel in, earthquake waves can be classified under two categories. 1. Body waves, and 2. Surface waves. Body waves are those waves that travel through the Earth. They originate at the epicenter of the earthquake and travel through the Earth's interior at amazing speeds. There are two types of body waves, namely P waves and S waves. P waves, or primary waves, are the first waves to hit the seismographs when an earthquake strikes. They are longitudinal waves, which means that the direction of motion and propagation are the same. S waves, also called secondary waves and shear waves, are the second waves to hit the seismographs. They are transverse waves, which means that the motion is perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. S waves can only travel through solids, and scientists have successfully mapped the Earth's interior by studying the routes of these waves. Number 2. Surface waves. Surface waves are the most destructive seismic waves produced during an earthquake. They travel along the Earth's surface, which is why they cause the maximum damage to buildings, roads, and infrastructure. These waves move only through the Earth's crust, surface layers, unlike body waves, P and S waves, which travel through the Earth's interior. Types of surface waves. First is love waves, or L waves. Move the ground side to side in horizontal motion. It causes severe damage to building foundations. The wave is faster than Rayleigh waves. Number 2, Rayleigh waves, or R waves. These waves move in a rolling motion, like ocean waves. In this, ground moves up, down, forward, and backward. Rayleigh wave is slower than love waves. Key feature of surface waves. Travels slower than P and S waves, have large amplitudes, confined to the Earth's surface, maximum energy loss occurs at the surface, main cause of earthquake destruction.